Hello everyone, this is OBR Bricks here, and today I'm going to share something really cool with you guys. I got my brother's nice truck collection out here, and yeah, I'm going to add one, this guy, from 1998, set number 6328, and I'm going to devalue this like in a few seconds. These I'm going to showcase the whole box if you're curious of what it looks like. It's all live. It's not trickery. So yeah, it's all sealed, as you can see. Doesn't seem to be open at all. Yeah, it's pretty. You can see its age basically right there. Yeah, what I'm really excited to see are the catalogs or whatever it was. Yeah, I've seen like a little hint. Yeah, from videos. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go for it. It's the only chance I got. So we open it from this side, which is usually where I open it. This is the only chance I got. It's all live. Oh wow, these tapes are, no, I think they're, okay. Yeah, they're default maybe, I don't know. They do feel a little different. Let's see, let's do this. Oh wow. Okay, that's cool. So I'm going to showcase what's inside the box. I already took them out just so I can get a better look at them myself. So here we got a specialized part for the trailer, an old gray, which is cool and expected. Here, so yeah, the helicopter is manual. Is out of the bag. I don't know why. I don't see why. I don't know why. Here we got this. This is the tractor. This has its manual inside. We got the trailer. Don't know what that was. Neighbors. And here we got the catalog from 1999. So I'm assuming this set was sold in 1999 at the stores. I think this is where you join the club, the Lego club. I've actually joined, but then got kicked out because of my age. True story. Aqua Zone and Rock Raiders, Adventures. I'm not going to show too much. There's probably videos out there. If there isn't, tell me. I'll probably make a video. I don't know. These are all the themes that were sold. Okay. Yeah, this and here is where you would order stuff, sets or parts, I believe. You would just write down them right here and a bunch of other information. And more information depending on where you live. These are also kind of part catalog too. You also got their prices, and you can also order parts in these colors. That's nice. Yep, this Lego, where did you go with this? We need them. Don't know why this is dark. I've got no clue. They're just too dark. Probably old dark gray, I'm assuming. So yeah, that's that. A quick look at this. So right now I am gonna start with these, and I'm gonna show you the opening process of those as well. Alright, so we're gonna start with tractor right here. Let's take one just quick look at the bag, because we all love documentation. Because the last one. last one's on. Probably last time you'll see somebody built this. Yeah. Don't know what to say. Just gonna open this right now. I opened them the Dorito bag way, like this, and not the Hershey bar way. This is my way. They open just like poly bags. Probably the same formula. Okay, I believe that's all. Okay, they are unlike what's on them. This little, they have like a cross. Chrome pipes, truck pipes. What are they called? I'm not sure what they're called. Or I forgot what they're called. This is cool. I've never touched one of these. We got this, another specialized part, which would go this, like that. This will hook up back here. And it's also in gold gray. The tires. These are not the tires on those. As some have said, Lego changed their tire formula, I believe, like 2006, around that time. Got a 2005 set with a 5 city set with tires like these, and also they don't have like a little seam. I don't know. Oh, and these are a little stickier. Yeah. I'm actually going to compare with those. Okay, so here we got tire from 60044. You can see the difference. This is more glossy, and it's actually more sticky. Don't know why, just the material. And here oh, that's better. You can see the difference, what I mean by the cross. This got a, like, the cross plus or times symbol. And this is just a circle, solid circle. So yep, let's go. Let's continue. We got this roof part in black, trans green. This is cool. Printed slope 2x4. If it'll show. I believe this would be or represent the Lego City companies that would sell their cars to them. If that makes sense at all. Why am I showing this when it's probably the same? Nope, because nowadays these would be filled, I believe. Not filled, they will be hollow. This has 6 tires in the set. 6 tires. I had to redo that part. This is actually cool. I did not know that the heads and the torsos were together. And there's no back printing here. And there it goes. And we got this printed part, which reminds me that this over here is also printed. So, and they're pretty similar actually. They're both inclined or italicized. So yeah, that's cool. And I picked this up. I don't see anything else that's too special here. They're all default. Oh. You don't see these in Minecraft. At least I don't think so. We need them in Minecraft. Well, actually there is, but there's a 2x2. Yep. And steering wheel existed back then, apparently. Okay, I'm gonna build this right now. Let's get started. I'm gonna build this live, or I'm gonna time lapse this. Actually, I'm gonna time lapse this. I think that's a better idea. This is one long manual. I got, I think, 6660. 6660's manual. I think it was like this. It was long, or it was the classic space one I got. That was also this long. So yep, let's start right now with the time lapse. Alright, so here we got the built tractor and minifigure. We already showcased the torso, it's just the torso and the head. That's cool and printed. Nothing too special. Here we got the tractor. For some reason, if you notice, I built this on the 1x4. Don't know why I did that. Guess I was just looking ahead. And these just slide in. They don't need Technic pins or whatever. This is pretty simple. It is a junior set, which I don't mind because junior sets back then look better than the ones right now. Just saying. Yep, let's go on. Get away from this and trailer time. Let's go. You got the trailer built right here. Old gray and dark old gray, let's say that. That's cool. I never had a dark gray brick. I do have dark gray, but they're specialized parts because I had an old robotics set from 2003, and I don't know why this is like that. There we go. So it's a simple build. Here you hang your walkie-talkie and the megaphone. I also build these two barriers. Cool addition. Like each one of these have their own barrier. That's cool. I don't remember if that one had any actually. Nor did this one. But these had their own barriers, and the manual, or the pamphlet, whatever it's called, it's actually bigger than the trailer, not the trailer, the tractor one. Just because I guess the nature of how big that is. So yeah, let's get on the helicopter, which it's manual. I think I'll showcase that right now pretty quickly. It's also another bigger one. So open, there we go. It's actually on both sides, unlike the previous two. More transgreen to come. Okay, let's start with that. This will not obey. It wants to close. So let's just open. I didn't do that with the last one. I was excited. Oh, and this has its separate bag. Okay, that's all. Goes in there. Okay, this is a specialized part as well. It has its printing, separate printing, or its own printing. It's been damaged. I don't know, probably transport stuff. Nothing big. Doesn't matter, given the nature of how things work in real life. Trans-green window, or windscreen. And there's this whole bag, a whole bunch of air holes or whatever. Oh, also the helmet windshield, windscreen, whatever it's called. It's also green, that's cool. Here's the minifigure, which let's just build that right now. I think I have to open this, do I? Just open it. Live on camera. Because I chose to do so. Oh yeah, the helmet goes on that guy. Why did I do that? It's backwards. And there it goes. Okay, let's just do a time lapse. We got the helicopter all built up. And we do get spare pieces. Just little studs in trans green and trans red. Pretty simple build. This is the junior set, so it's not really shocking. See, yeah, we're all pretty much all done. Let's combine these all together. And it's floating. There we go. This is cool. This is gonna be annoying though. It's gonna be flopping everywhere. But not really a big deal. I'm not gonna be playing with it. Or maybe. I don't know. Anyways, barriers. Where would I put them? Here. I think it shows just do that. Put it right there. If I can do it. I'm in awkward position right now. Pretty much was the whole video, but I don't really mind actually. So there we go. This minifigure is actually the same. These two guys have the same head, which I believe that's right. Yeah, that's all. That's all normal in this set. So yes, that's it for this. Showcase this and so yeah, just wanted to document this as well. This set, because it is probably the only one sealed, someone open. I got a bag collection, so this is going to the bag collection, including these. You know, don't know why I have a bag collection, but I do. Actually, why don't we just compare them, the size, because this is actually pretty small. It's 4 studs wide. The trailer is actually 6. You know, let's just do that quickly. Let's just do these two helicopter transporters. So you can see there's a huge difference in size compared to what we had back 1990s. Yeah, there's probably not even a reason to compare these because they're just vastly different. But the principle is there, the idea. The idea is there that you just place your helicopter on the trailer. This would work. This should work. Should. Let's just figure that out. There we go. You just need to put it down on the studs because this has a stud right there. This, you're gonna have, I think, a little more trouble. Nope. There we go. So yep, there we go. Now haul this. So this is gonna be flimsy. Okay, let's just do a little size comparison, which is totally unnecessary because this will obviously be bigger. Yeah, there's not a reason to even do all this comparisons. Okay, let's continue with the other guys. All right, so I got them all lined up here, not in a particular order. It's hilarious how small this is. It's just small, like, this is small. This is perfect for that area, but definitely not perfect for this area anymore. When you got these big monsters and this little tiny players thing. But it's still cool. I love it. And it's a junior set, and I love it. Juniors nowadays all look like they're the same. So yes, this is my whole, my brother's nice truck collection. It wasn't really a collection at all. I just knew I had 3 of them, and then it just grew from there to 7 already. And I've been buying parts for this one, sticker parts for this one and this one. I just parted this one just a few days ago. Got all the parts and ordered the parts, and including stickers, though a few of them are missing. This one as well. Just these weren't there. Also, seller, this one, the sticker's right on the other side. Got a little TV screen, but sticker on this side's wrong, which I don't blame the seller at all. Brooklyn seller, I don't blame him at all because, you know, things happen. You probably got a lot or something, had multiple of these. And yeah, I don't mind, but I think I'll find a replacement. I already got it listed on my wanted list. And this one, I actually try to pull these out, but I forgot. They don't work like that because they're 2014 stickers and sticker formulas are different. And this is from my own collection, and it's the only one I had. Why didn't I order one? I don't know. But yeah, that's yellowed. I think I should, because this one is actually my brother's, and this one, these 2 are my brother's. Probably should actually get a replacement for that. So yep, this has a tough story with me. Since it was my brother's, I actually took this apart, claiming it was mine. And yeah, that's another story. So yes, thank you for watching, and I've probably bored you a lot. It's my first video in a year. Longer in terms of talking to the camera. I still don't have a professional place. This is the dinner table, whatever. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please promote this, whatever. Yep, thank you. Let's just leave. Yeah, thank you. My reason for talking weird is because vocabulary. I haven't talked to a camera in a while.